My name is Malachi. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken adobo. Chicken adobo is one of the most popular dish in the Philippines. Here's what you need. You will need 3 pounds of chicken, a cup of soy sauce, a cup of cane sugar, 2 whole onions, 2 bay leaves, a head of garlic, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, oil, a teaspoon of brown sugar, and some water. It's easy. Let's cook now. Turn on the stove to medium heat. First, put oil until it's hot. Next, put the garlic in here and saute. When it's golden brown, you can add in the onions. Then mix. Next, put garlic and the onions in the side. Add chicken until it's brown. Once the chicken is brown, add the bay leaves, add the black pepper corn, add the soy sauce, and then add the cane vinegar. Once it's boiling, add water to cover the chicken. And stir. Simmer for about 20 minutes. Now add the brown sugar. Then mix. When you're done cooking, add the adobo to the rice and enjoy.